Good afternoon everyone. So today this is my 8th video of the chapter Chemical Kinetics. Today I will teach you dependence of reaction rate on temperature. In my last class I have discussed with you about the collision theory. Today I will discuss dependence of reaction rate on temperature. In general, we know that increase in temperature increases rate of reaction. Almost all reactions, okay? So increase in temperature যদি increase হয়, rate of the reaction will also increase. But in general we know this. But in case of a general approximate rate for the effect of temperature on reaction rates is that the rate of a reaction, or you can say rate constant, increases or you can say rate of a reaction becomes double for every 10 degree centigrade rise in temperature. মানে কি rate of constant বা rate of a reaction ডাবল হয়ে যায় যদি 10 ডিগ্রি করে যদি টেম্পারেচার বাড়ে তো rate of a reaction বা rate constant টা double হয়ে যাবে. So this is known as temperature, which is called as temperature coefficient, Okay. So temperature coefficient কিভাবে লিখতে পারবো আমরা? Temperature coefficient is equals to KT plus 10 by KT. মানে এটা যেটা হবে rate constant at normal the temperature which is given. আর যদি আর 10 degree centigrade আমরা যদি add করি তো what will be the temperature coefficient? It will become almost approximately equals to 2. So this is the temperature coefficient at rate constant of a reaction for every temperature এর উপরে dependent কিভাবে হয় that I showed you. Next আমার হবে গিয়ে activation energy, concept of activation energy. So first of all let me tell you what is activation energy. So the excess energy which must be supplied to the reactants or to undergo any chemical reaction is called activation energy. So activation energy মানে হলো গিয়ে that the excess energy which must be supplied to the reactants to undergo any chemical reaction. তো যেটা excess energy যেটা দেওয়া হয় that may be over and above average energy থেকে বেশিও হতে পারে or কম হতে পারে. ওইটা থেকে বেশি হলে যেটা হবে ওইটা হলো গিয়ে activation energy. তো activation energy হলো কি the excess energy which must be supplied to the reactants এর মধ্যে যেটা energy excess energy দেওয়া হয় to undergo যেটা একটা chemical reaction হওয়ার জন্য that is called activation energy. And it is represented by E suffix A. So activation energy eta. But activation energy is equal to the difference between the threshold energy and the average energy of the reacting molecule. So activation energy के हमरा represent करते पारबो activation energy equals to threshold energy minus average energy of reacting molecules. Now average energy তো বোঝা যাচ্ছে যে কয়েকটা এনার্জি হবে ওটার এভারেজ মানে কি ওটার এভারেজ করে যেটা হবে that will be the after doing sum and then the average will be the average energy. But what is threshold energy? So threshold energy it's like a energy barrier. Okay, it is the minimum energy which the molecules should possess so that there is collision to result in a chemical reaction. So threshold energy is what? It is the minimum energy which is required for the chemical reaction. Okay, so that collision occurs and collision na hole to reaction hobe na. So it is the minimum energy which is required. Okay, minimum energy which is required for the collision, which is required for collision so that a chemical reaction occurs, such that a chemical reaction occurs. So this is the concept. Now I will show you the graph. What is how the activation energy যদি low হয়, low activation energy মানে activation energy যদি কম হয় that means what? যদি down হয় means first reaction টা ফাস্ট হবে, আর যদি হাই অ্যাক্টিভেশন এনার্জি হয় the reaction will be slow reaction হবে. So activation energy high low হলে ফার্স্ট হবে রিঅ্যাকশন, আর activation energy হাই হলে স্লো হবে রিঅ্যাকশন. So meaning vice versa, মানে opposite. They are we can say they are inversely proportional. Now Arrhenius calculate equation and concept of activation energy. Let me show you the graph how we will determine the del H. Okay, suppose I am drawing a graph, plotting a graph where this side it will be potential energy PE and here will be the path. Okay, so I am plotting a graph and I am getting the graph as this. Okay, so this will be EP, this will be the ER, means energy of the products, energy of the reactants. I got like this. So this is what. So I know del H. First let me show you. Del H equals to, if jodi EP less than ER hoy. Here from the graph I can see that ER is greater and EP is lower. Okay, so we know product minus reactant, EP minus ER. So negative আসবে answer টা. তো কি হবে? This portion EP minus ER is the del H. Okay, and this portion to here to here it will be EA, and the full one will be the new activation energy EA dash. Okay, so it will be negative. So as the del H is negative, so it will be a exothermic reaction. Exothermic. Now next একটা আমি plot করব graph. If I plot the graph, this side potential energy, this side the path, and I am getting the graph as so. This will be what? ER. This will be EP. So del H equals to, I know, EP minus ER. So in this case, EP is greater than ER. You can see from the graph. So this will be what? The difference between EP and ER will be del H. This will be EA. And the full one will be EA dash. Okay. যেটা EP product energy and reactant energy difference হবে, that will be del H. The upper verse যেটা উপর দিকে যাচ্ছে, that will be the EA activation energy, and the new activation energy will be the full one from ER to the this. So এখানে কি হলো, EP is greater than ER, so this will be positive. তো positive মানে endothermic reaction. Okay, so this is the concept of activation energy. কিভাবে activation energy helps করে in it, how it differs along with the product energy of the product and reactant. কি path হবে, what will be the activation energy, what will be the del H of the reaction. So this is the overall view. Now next my topic is Arrhenius equation. Arrhenius equation and calculation of activation energy and calculation of activation energy. So we can represent it as EA. The activation energy is EA. So Arrhenius was a scientist, so he proposed a quantitative relationship between rate constant and temperature. He has proposed a relationship between rate constant, that is K, and temperature means T. So we can represent it as K equals to, where K is the rate constant, equals to A into e to the power minus EA, that is activation energy, by RT. So K holo ki, where you can say K is what? K is the rate constant. K is the rate constant. A is also a constant, which is known as pre-exponential factor. Known as pre-exponential factor, or you can say frequency factor, বা frequency factor ও বলা হয়. E is the activation energy. E is the activation energy. T is the temperature, and R is the universal gas constant. R এর ভ্যালুটা as we know 8.314 in SI unit. We can take temperature মানে Kelvin temperature, where every time we can take in Kelvin means degree centigrade যদি দেওয়াও থাকে, then we have to take it in Kelvin. E is the activation energy. A is the constant pre-exponential factor বা frequency factor also we can say, and K is the rate constant. So Arrhenius equation কি করেছে, he showed the relation between rate constant and the temperature. KRT relation টা দেখালো. From this what we can say, that taking logarithm on both sides, we get log of E K log of EA minus EA by RT. So আগের equation যেটা লিখলাম K equals to, so I have taken log. So after taking log E to the power, this will happen as log of K base E and log of EA minus EA by RT. এখন কি হবে, log of base E we know it's equal to 2.303 log of base 10 K equals to 2.303 log of base 10 A minus EA by RT. Okay, so after taking this we'll get as log K base 10 is equals to log of A base 10 minus EA by 2.303 RT. আমরা পাবো এরকম, because we will take 2.303 as common. So So what will happen? এখান থেকে সরে যাবে, এখান থেকে সরে, it will come here under this, so like this. Then we will get as log of base 10 k is equals to minus of EA 2.303 RT plus log of A base 10. So এখান থেকে দেখা যাচ্ছে যে activation energy is what this. So activation energy এখান থেকে clears from this equation that if the activation energy increases, EA যদি increase হয়, if EA increases, then value of K মানে তো rate constant, K decreases. So K যদি decrease হয়, what will happen? And therefore, what happens? The reaction rate of the reaction will also decrease because they are directly proportional. So this is the overall concept of activation energy, how to calculate the activation energy. Now calculation of activation energy কিভাবে হবে? Suppose from this equation, we're considering here, this is an equation, log of K base 10 minus EA by 2.303 RT plus log of A base 10. So এটাকে যদি আমরা ফর্ম নেই, y equals to mx plus c ফর্মে যদি আমরা নেই, and then what we will get is, and তো একটা straight line represent করে, so what we will get as intercept of the line যদি হয়, intercept of the line কি হবে? Intercept will be equals to log base 10 A আর slope হবে গিয়ে minus of EA by 2.303 R. Suppose we are taking y as K, m as we are taking EA, we will get m as EA equals to 2.303 R. T, x hobe giye T, 1 by T. X will represent 1 by T. And C is the intercept. So intercept I got log of A base 10. Log of A base 10 from this equation. If we have converted into the normal intercept straight line equation that y equals to mx plus c form e nilam. So নেওয়ার পর intercept আমরা পেলাম log of A base 10 আর slope পেলাম E equals to EA by 2.30. আমরা যদি গ্রাফ যদি প্লট করি, so log K base 10 এদিকে হবে 1 by T. So we'll get a graph which is sloping towards downward. So intercept হবে গিয়ে log 10 base A. Okay. So এখন যদি হয় এরকম যে we are getting a temperature, দুটো টেম্পারেচার নিলাম, so আমরা কিভাবে, so slope থেকে যদি আমরা এরকম পাই EA is equals to slope equals to EA minus of EA by 2.303, তো এখান থেকে আমরা activation energy calculate করতে পারবো EA equals to minus of 2.303 R into slope. তো slope আমরা we can get from the graph. So this is the মানে এটা আমরা পেয়ে গেলাম activation energy from the graph also we can get it, calculate it out. দেখো এখন যদি আমরা দুইটা টেম্পারেচারে, আচ্ছা যদি আমরা দুইটা টেম্পারেচার ক্যালকুলেট করি, then also we will get as, suppose I am taking two temperature, suppose T1 and T2, দুইটা Kelvin temperature আমরা নিচ্ছি. So at K1 log of 10 K1 is equals to minus of EA by 2.303 RT1 plus log of A base 10. এটা একটা equation 1. আর যদি আমরা temperature T2 তে আমরা যদি নিই একটা temperature T2 তে, so we will get log of 10. দুটো temperature at the same time দুটা rate constant. So K2A is equals to minus of EA by 2.303 R T2, that was what? T1, and this is the temperature. At temperature T2 and K2 rate constant, we will get as plus log of a base 10. This is a constant, okay, so we will not change this. So এখন this is equation number 2. এখন কি করব, equation 2 minus 1, so equation 2 minus equation 1. Equation 2 তে হচ্ছে log of 10 k2 minus log of base 10 k1 is equals to minus of EA by 2.303 RT2 plus EA plus হয়ে গেল. Now you will ask me how you got minus. Minus A, minus A, minus A, A minus A, this minus will what it will do? Minus a plus A equals to 2.303 RT1. I got as this. So it will be log of base 10 K2 by K1 equals to EA by 2.303 or 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. So I got the equation is this. So আমি কিভাবে লিখতে পারবো, log of base 10 K2 by K1 is equals to EA 2.303 or T2 minus T1 by T1 into T2. So this is the ultimate equation for calculation of activation energy. So আমি activation energy কিভাবে calculate করতে পারি through using Arrhenius equation. I have seen this. So this is the overall calculation of activation energy, the concept of Arrhenius equation. Next, I will show you some rules of logarithm. Okay, log table logarithm some rules there. Logarithm some rules are there. Okay, number 1 হলো গিয়ে log যদি base 10 থাকে and log A plus log 10 base B. So it will be equals to log of base 10 A into B. Okay. Now number 2, log যদি থাকে base 10 A minus log base 10 B is equals to log base 10 A by B. As plus is equal to multiply হয়ে যাবে, minus টা divide হয়ে যাবে. And one thing, in log of this, suppose we have to find out K2 by K1, so we will use, suppose, then we can say, suppose I am taking, I need to find out the value of this, log of anything, find the value of this. So from here I can write A equals to, we need to find out A. So A is equals to 10 to the power x. Antilog করলে 10 to the power x এসে যাবে if you need to find out A. Next হলো গিয়ে suppose log of 10 A square, we are getting like this, is equals to 2 log of A base 10. Okay, then we can get as one more rule is there, that উল্টাও হতে পারে না, আরেকটা রুল log of, okay, I am giving some values. log 2 base 10 এর ভ্যালু হবে গিয়ে 0.3010, log 3 এর ভ্যালু হবে গিয়ে 0.6991, sorry, log 2. Acha, then log 4, log base 10 4 এর value you can find out by log of base 10 2 square, we can find out. So log of base 10 2 square is equals to, we can write 4, we can write 2 log 2. So is equals to 2 into log 2 value 0.3010 is equals to 0.6020. So we can find out the value. As suppose we can find out the log value of 5 also, log 5 also. How? See, log 5 we can write 3 plus log 5 I'm telling. Log 6 also we can find out the value. How? Log of 6 base 10 is equals to 3 into 2. So we can write log of 10 3 plus log of 2. So we need to find out the value of log 3 plus log 2. So log 3 value we can find out is as log 3 value holo giye 0.4771 plus 0.3010. So we can use the formula I'm telling. We can add this and we will get the value as log 6 value we can get as 0.1 7 plus 1 8 7 7. So 0.7781 is the value of log 6. So suppose erokom jodi log we will get like this kind of numbers, we can find out by using the formula. We have to know the value of log 2, log 3, log 1 is equals to 0, log base 10 1 is equals to 0, log 10 base 10 is equals to 1. So we can find out the value as like this. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.